A lot of people complain that whenever they connect their PCs to their mobile phones hotspot, it drains their data faster. And it doesn't just drain faster, it's because of this one mistake you've been making. That is the type of connection you do. So hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Joab. So in this video I'll show you how you'll be able to connect to your Wi-Fi without it draining your data. So first thing is that whenever you are connecting, don't click on connect automatically. Just connect, so that when you on your hotspot without the intention of connecting to the PC, it wouldn't connect for you. And after that, you go to properties. Now when you go to properties, you come down here and set as metered connection. Now if you want to limit the data plan, if you have limited data plan and you want to control your data usage, make this connection a metered connection. Some of the apps might work differently to reduce data usage while you are connected to this network. So that is to mean that whatever background process that is going on, if there is Windows update or other stuff, you cannot update on a metered connection except you do it yourself. So when you connect on a metered connection, it gives the PC no access to use data except you do so. So if you have to open a browser before the browser starts consuming your data, or you have to open a particular thing before it consumes. So for instance, if I search Windows update, it's not going to automatically, my Windows for now is up to date, but you see advanced settings like download over metered connection. That is if you decided. But if this setting is off, it means that it doesn't have to do any background download. So this setting is very important, and if you do it, you save yourself a tons of data, because sometimes you might have limited data bundle and you're afraid your PC will consume. Your PC doesn't consume, it is your settings that do. So first thing is that when you're connecting, you don't connect automatically. You leave that option. It's not a compulsory thing to do. And when you've connected, go to properties and turn on metered connection. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's useful. Kindly do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content coming up, and don't forget to leave your comments below and share this video to friends and families. Till I see you in my next video, it's bye bye.